Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. Now we are starting new sub-series, and in that sub-series we will learn some of the select query techniques. So first let's get introduced. Till now we used some basic queries to fetch data from database. So we used select queries with column filter, row filter, where condition. We also learned about set operation and joins. Now we will continue with the more advanced select queries and other techniques. We also learned how to perform table join as an intermediate topic. In this sub-series, we will move ahead and learn some more query fetching techniques. As a database user, this will move you to the next level when you want to get data from a database. There is no demo here, it's just a primer video. We will continue from next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.